Software installation and calibration tutorial. Remove the included USB flash drive and insert it into the machine's USB port. Open the USB drive, locate the software installation package, and then begin the installation. Select the software installation language. Please follow the steps below to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, click the icon on the desktop to open the software. Log in with the default account. Create a new file and give it a name. The screen has touch sensing capabilities. Enable the calibration function. Remove the aluminum block and place it in the scanning position. Click here to prepare for exposure. Press and hold the X-ray machine's start button for 2 seconds to activate the X-ray machine. Then, adjust the power to 0.1. Press the camera button to take a picture. After taking the photos, wait until everything is ready before taking the pictures again. Repeat the above steps to take a total of 8 photos. Click Calibrate to complete the device calibration. Remove the calibration aluminum block. Place the chip to be scanned in the black position. Then close and lock the lid. Adjust the required scanning power. Click here to prepare for exposure. Press the camera button again. This will involve taking photos and scanning. The software installation and device calibration demonstration have been completed. Thank you.